Hey, what's up, YouTube? Got a crazy video coming up right now. This is a personal case break for Green Card Chasers. That is for yours truly, Undefined G20, and the homie Lakers are champs Rob. We went on ahead and said, fuck it, let's open this shit for ourselves. So we're going to go ahead and record it. This is how we do, son. This is how we do. Here's the case right here. Once again, it's all sealed and done. I was gonna do a case break of this stuff, but screw it. I'm live also as well. Rob is in the room. Empty. Let me get the trash can over here first. Go ahead and take our time here. We're in no hurry, guys. We're in no hurry. '49ers are owned by Lakers are champs, and Chargers are owned by yours truly. There you go. Good luck. I hate you for this. Rub the lava bitch for some good luck. Thank you, lava bitch. Ah. Woo! Had to get that in there. Sorry. Had to get that in there. I do have more of this stuff on the way, and we'll most likely be doing more group breaks of it on Sunday, depending on when you guys watch this. Yes, it is full. You're gonna have to wait till Sunday, Rob. Rob F. Jr. That is. Damn it. Sorry, hold on. The hell you are. The hell you are. Ooh. Woo! Oh my god, why do I always listen to you? Why or why? Whatever. This is how we do things around here. Alright. We got Cecil Shorts, the third. Numbered base, number to 199. Our regular base is Doug Martin. I'll just put it like that. There you go. Numbered will be here. Relics will be here. Autos, patch autos. Deal? Deal. Alright, Jay Cutler. Base. And our SP base is number 61 out of 95 for Randall Cobb. Randall Cobb. We got 3 thick ones in here. That's what she said. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. Good start. Landry Jones, 2-color patch, autograph, number to 75. Number 75 right there. Boom. Ooh. This might be a good one. So we got 2 RPAs in this one. Number to 345, Jonathan Franklin. 260 of 345. Oh, that's cool. He inscribes it with his number right there. Nice. And our relic card goes like this. Nice, the Mexican. EJ Manuel. That is a sick 4-color patch, numbered 19 of 25. 19 of 25. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. We got a lot of on-card on this. A lot of on-cards. Alright. Our first numbered base is number to 199 of Russell Wilson. We got a Clay Matthews base. And we got a Trent Richardson base. Alright. And here's our autographs. I think. No, wait. Fake out. I forgot. There's 2 numbered base. Here's our short print base, number to 75. Von Miller. For some reason, Green Card Chasers pull a lot of short printed Von Millers. Looks like an element of some sort. Good luck. Never mind, it's just a regular auto. Keenan Allen. Boom, case hit, son. That's not numbered, it's just a regular autograph. It's pretty neat. For some reason, he needs to get a better pen. His auto is always streaky. Alright, here we go. I think this is a red. A red one. Could it be? No, it's not. Got a Stephon Taylor, not numbered auto. Damn it. Stephon Taylor, not numbered. Base autograph. Alright, next goes like this, I believe. Yeah, goes like this. A relic card. Nice. 2-color patch. Number to 25. Short print. Cordell Patterson. Number 16 of 25. Good. Kind of a weak patch, but it is very short print. Boxo 3-0. Alright. We might have a jersey relic. We have nothing but thin cards in here. Number to 199, Hakeem Nicks. Russell Wilson, regular base. Got Alfred Morris, regular base. Alright, number to 95, Chris Johnson, short print. Alright, here's our hits. We got an element card. An element card. Woo! Got a Terrence Williams elements. Man, I wish that would have been Gavin Escobar, but still sick. 14 out of 25. Terrence Williams. Elements card? Alright. Next one looks like a red. This guy should have a good season. Tyler Eifert. Number to 99. Sick. Numbered. 37 of 99. He's already making some money. What's up, Jason? And our relic is Robert Woods, numbered 38 of 50, short print. Jumbo napkin. Alright. We got Woods. Looks like we got another element card. Another element card, I think. Hopefully it's a good one. Alright, our first number base is number to 199 of AJ Green. We got an AJ Green to go with it, the base. LaShawn McCoy base. And I think this is our second one, right? Yeah, no. Oh, Building Rainbow, son. Number to 75, Randall Cobb. Alright, let's see what this is. Alright, it's a... Oh, it's a gold card. It's one of those gold thingies. It's a gold card. Gold ink. Andre Ellington. Is that silver? Oh, that's a silver ink one. That's number 67 of 75. That's nice. Woo! Andre Ellington. Alright, next auto goes like this. And whenever it's a red, I always get nervous. We got a Jordan Reed autograph for the Redskins. That's not numbered. RG3. Alright. Our relic card. Oh man, wish that was auto, son. Geno Smith, 2-color patch. Number 58 of 75. Damn and it. Alright, here we go. You said box number 5? What's up, James? Alright, first number base, number to 199. Torrey Smith. Darren McFadden base. Pierre Garcon base. And our short print base is number to 75 of Beast Mode. Marshawn Lynch. And on to our hits. We're back to our RP of Ace. Look at this. Boom. You guessed it right. Tavon Austin. 3-color patch auto. The other colors right there. Number to 75, Tavon Austin. 3 little smudge of 3rd colors right there on the bottom. Woohoo! That's sick. Boom. You called it. Yes. Feels good. For the 49ers, Lance McDonald, and yours is numbered at least. Sick. Number to 99, Vance McDonald. The Niners. Alright, and oh, what a bitch. You got a jersey napkin of Marcus Lattimore. That's numbered 14 of 75. Wow, what a that's something. He called the bot that he's gonna get the hits. What a bitch. No one has the Cowboys. He has the Niners, and I have the Chargers. All right, here we go. Bunch of skinnies. Bunch of skinnies. All right, Percy Harvin, number to 199. I better get a jersey now. Matt Forte, base. We got Aldon Smith, base. Yeah, we got one Cowboy. We got a Terrence Williams element card. This is a nice one. Number to 75. Trent Richardson. Onto our autographs. Sick. DeAndre Hopkins, number to 75. Woo-hoo! DeAndre Hopkins, number 75. Got another Elements card. Elements card of Giovanni Bernard, numbered 18 of 25. Giovanni Bernard. Boom. We're most likely going to hold on to that, since he'll probably be the number 2 back. And got a jumbo napkin of Marcus Wheaton, number to 86. Number to 86. Yes, we will. Ooh. We got a printing plate. Printing plate of some sort. Printing plate of some sort. 1 of 1. Alright, we got a Jacquizzi Rogers, number to 199. Steven Jackson base. Calvin Johnson. Oh, it's a nice one too. Up and coming person. Kyle Rudolph. Juanito or Juanito. Printing plate. Kyle Rudolph. Sweet. Good. Wow, what a bitch. Quinn Patton autograph. For the Niners, congrats. Congrats. There, we asked for it. We got a Gavin Escobar. Go Aztecs. Autograph.
Work with me. He's confused. I don't understand that.
Woo! At least I got a relic. Number to 93. Look at that patch, son.
She's smiling. Wait till she finds out that you're not coming back. I said hello, I'm here. Wait till she don't understand. Wait till she gets it.
Manti Teo. Congrats to me. I gotta catch up though. Last box. Last box. Here we go. Alright, got Vincent Jackson, number to 199. Torrey Smith, base. Andre Johnson, base. And we got a short print of Matt Schaub, number to 75. Alright. We got a Mike Gillislee auto. Mike Gillislee auto. Excuse me. Alright. Our last autograph. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. Gold ink, number 23 of 25. Joseph Randall. Sick auto. Oh, Elite was well, how much was Elite? 400 a spot? 2 spots? And we have a nice number to 93. 3-color patch of Zach Ertz. And that is the break. It's a nice Joseph Randall. Nice Tavon Austin. Got a nice couple of hits. We got some PC love hits, which we were hoping for. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining, Rob.